Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be talking about and doing an overview on affiliate marketing for complete beginners in 2021. So what do you need to do to get started with affiliate marketing? So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you're still lost and you're trying to find your way with affiliate marketing, this video is right. It's perfect for you because I'm going to be showing you an overview, like a whiteboard video on how to actually start planning out and road mapping how you're going to be successful with affiliate marketing. It starts with you need a few different things, puzzle pieces, put them together, and then you can start actually making money and being successful finally with affiliate marketing. So this is for complete newbies, complete beginners, how to go about doing affiliate marketing. Now stay tuned all the way to the end. You're going to learn a lot. And then at the end, I have something to share with you and ask for you. So let's jump into this video. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do with affiliate marketing, you're going to need to choose a niche, right? You can do all these different steps. You don't have to do them all in this order, but this is the preferred order because you don't want to go out and actually find products to promote, but then you actually don't have the right niche. You haven't niched down enough. And so then now you're promoting products that actually don't make sense to the right niche. So really, you want to define, like, what are you good at? What are you knowledgeable about? What captures your interest to where you can actually stay doing this for a long period of time? So obviously, if you're not into bodybuilding, for example, we'll zoom in right here. Now, this is a big, broad niche, bodybuilding, right? We're going to talk about sub-niching down, right? You want to niche down even further for faster results and more promising results. But taking the niche bodybuilding, if you're not a bodybuilder or you don't really know a whole lot about it, then it really doesn't make a whole lot of sense to go into bodybuilding as an affiliate marketer because you're going to get burnt out. Let's say you choose YouTube and you want to start creating videos for YouTube. And by the 30th video, you're going to be so burned out learning about bodybuilding and trying to teach it to other people that you're going to get burned out before you even get results. So make sure that it's something that if you really like, something to do with health and fitness, find what works for you, find what you're knowledgeable about and what excites you. If it's low carb eating diets, if it's keto, if it's Mediterranean diet, there's so many things you can do in the health and fitness niche that you don't have to just pick a topic that you're not interested in. So make sure that that's just one of my tips on the side, is make sure that it's of interest to you so you'll stay in it for a long period of time. So what we have right here on the whiteboard is we have choosing a niche. Okay, so choosing a niche is important because all these ones that are in the black circles, those are parent niches, right? So make money online, dog training, make money on Amazon, bodybuilding, woodworking, right? So if you just chose these, the days of just choosing one of these and being done with it are kind of over. You can't just choose one of these and then create content around it. And you're going to have a harder time being successful because it's just too broad of a niche. So what I recommend is that you actually, inside these blue circles right here, those are going to be sub niches. You want to go after sub niches because this is where you have the most chance to get faster results, because you're talking to a specific audience at that point, right? So instead of just going, hey, make money online, I'm going to talk about make money online. That could be in so many different ways. That could be Forex and day trading. It means so many different things. So you want to niche down. And one example would be like only specifically talking about how you can make money with YouTube. And so that would be a sub niche inside of that. And you would have a lot more chance of gaining ground by going into, the make money on YouTube or, there's several other different sub niches. So again, dog training, right? That's already been, people have been there and done that. They've created, dog training is one of the oldest affiliate marketing examples, in the book, like out there. People always use dog training as a keyword when they're trying to show SEO tools and such. So dog training really is very, very, very competitive. You wouldn't want to just go into dog training. But if you go into how to train a specific dog, like a pit bull terrier or a German shepherd or a Doberman pinscher or something like that, then you're going to have a lot more chances. If there's hundreds of dog breeds out there, then now you're increasing your chances of actually getting exposure, because now you're going to be coming off as an expert with that specific dog breed, right? And so you'd want to niche down to how to train pit bull terriers or something like that, right? So then you moves you on to make money on Amazon. So this is almost like another parent niche of itself, because there's so many different ways that you can make money on Amazon. And a couple of the ways are low content books, creating notebooks, line journals, all that sort of thing, and putting them on there. And there's whole YouTube channels. That's actually how this channel got started. And I had a lot of good success with that, but I have since then pivoted my interest, and I'm only focusing on affiliate marketing right now. But this is a good niche to go into, but only if you're actively making books in that market. So then you're going to have a lot to share with the community and to teach people. And then another one, even niching down further, would be coloring books, right? Coloring books, that's another good one. Let me move over. We talked about bodybuilding. A good example of bodybuilding would be bodybuilding for men over 40. So now you're really niching down to a specific market. You don't want to talk, you're not talking to the 20-year-olds or even the 30-year-olds. You're talking about middle-aged men that are trying to do bodybuilding and get gains with their body and all that. And so this would be talking to a very specific niche, which is what you want to do with affiliate marketing. You can also even you could go to natural bodybuilding for men, which would appeal to a larger audience because this one isn't age specific. Now you could try combining natural bodybuilding with men over 40 and seeing if that would be a very specific micro niche, and you still may be able to make that work. So do your research, but those are just some good ideas. And then finally, woodworking. You wouldn't want to just do a giant channel and be competing with, this old house, channels that are going to have hundreds of thousands or even millions of subscribers. You're not going to be able to compete with the videos they're putting out, but you would be able to compete with the channels that are just talking about something like rocking chairs, right? So choosing a niche is very important. And I wouldn't recommend going on to the next step until you actually nail this down. So pick a niche. So let's go into the next part of this. We're going to cruise down. So then once you have a niche, what we're going to do is we're going to choose a traffic source. Once we choose a traffic source, you have so many different options, right? So you have the free options over here. The free options put down here. There's so many that I can think of off the top of my head right now that I didn't even put in here. There's Quora. You could spend, 2-3 hours a day on just Quora itself, doing answers and questions, and you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate offers just by, forums. And there's so many different ways. But I did put on here YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, blogging, etc. So the etc. is definitely really big with this because there is definitely a ton more that is not right here. So choose your free options. And that's actually what I specialize in, is free traffic. That's how I've built a full-time income of affiliate marketing, is focusing on free methods. Not to say that paid is not a good option. If you have the funds and the budget, or you have a course and you really want to try it out, or you feel like you know enough about it that you're ready to dive in and do some testing, it's going to cost money. And that's just the bottom line. And you don't necessarily get your money back. You don't get a return. So you're really going to have to be good with data if you want to do paid. And in my opinion, paid's actually harder. You will get instant traffic. That's the only part that is amazing about paid, but everything else in my experience it is very challenging. And for this video is for complete beginners or newbies. I wouldn't really recommend paid unless you really have confidence and you have a budget and you know what you're doing. Maybe if you have a coach that can walk you through this and help you along the way with paid. But the types of paid is there's paid advertising. So there's native ads, there's Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, Google ads, Bing ads, and solo ads. Now, out of all these methods, if I was trying to build a list around a specific niche and a specific product, then building an email list would be very, very important. We're not going to be going over that specifically in this video, but if you were going the route where you're trying to simultaneously build your email list, then solo ads I would recommend for a beginner, because because you will be able to get very quick results, and you can find some pretty high quality solo ad vendors for pretty good prices, and you can be on your way to actually building a real email list. So that's, you want to choose your traffic source, and I recommend only doing one, maybe two max to start, and master those before you move on to the next. So don't try to do all of these. And right now I'm making a full-time income from affiliate marketing, and I'm not doing all these methods right here because it's too much work, it's too much to manage, and you want to get really good at something. So I focus mainly on YouTube, and you want to get some good at something before you move on to the next, because you're going to end up spending hours posting content on all these other platforms, when in reality, if you don't even have the first one down and you're not offering the highest of quality value, then really all you're doing is offering mediocre at best work to several platforms, and you're only going to gain so much traction. You want to focus on quality and focus on one at a time. So let's move on to the next step. The next step, and pretty much the final right here, is to choose affiliate programs. Choose your affiliate program or network to find relevant products to promote. Okay, so you have your ClickBanks, and you have your JV Zoos, and you have your Warrior Pluses, and you have a Share a Sale, and you have Impact, and you have Amazon, and you have Commission Junction. I've made money on every single one of these. Now, every one of these is going to have its umbrella of products. There's going to be a million different products inside of each one of these, right? So inside of Warrior Plus, every single day, there's more and more products hitting Warrior Plus, and they're going to be more for like larger launches that are going to be a big launch for about 3 to 5 days, and you can get on board and there's traffic built in. So I like this strategy for beginners as well. Go look at some of my last videos, the last 5 videos. I talk about Warrior Plus and how I'm making thousands per month on that platform. JV Zoo is similar, but it's more specific to software. So JV Zoo focuses on software, but again, you can find some good products on there. That's a good market as well, a good platform. ShareSL has high quality vendors from all across the world that post their products on ShareSale. Impact I've been using a lot. Go watch one of my last videos as well, where you can see that I pulled in $1,600 in about 40 days on Impact. And this one has really big name brand products on here as well. The commissions are smaller percentages, but you have a really good chance of making sales because it's such high valuable products that all you have to do is just be the person that tells somebody about it. They go to it, and the selling is going to be done by the vendor. You're not going to have to do any selling. All you're going to be doing is just sending traffic. Amazon is going to be very low commission structure, so you're going to need volume. This can work good for blogging, and it can work good for YouTube, but just remember, or just know, that Amazon has continued to shrink down the commissions that it gives its affiliates. So you have to be Amazon. The Amazon strategy is going to work best for you or your website or your product or niche. But Amazon, I wanted to put it in there because it's definitely still can be a lucrative opportunity. And then there's CJ or Commission Junction, which is very similar to Share a Sale. There's going to be a lot of products and Impact as well. So then what do you do next with that information, right? What do we do with that information? Well, you're going to need to start driving traffic to your offer with your chosen strategy. So go back, watch this video again, and let this sink in. Follow the steps, and then you're going to start driving traffic to that offer. And it needs to be niche related, topic related. The product needs to be a great product that solves a problem for that audience that you're building. And then you're going to place your affiliate link in the description of your video. Let's say you're doing YouTube or TikTok, you only have one place to put your link. It's going to be in your profile. But any of the sites that allow you to put an affiliate link, go ahead and put that in the description or inside the article or something like that. If it's one of the platforms where you only have your opportunity to have it in the profile, that's fine. Make sure you have a link in your profile that has a link to the product you're trying to sell. And then finally, the advice that I preach all the time is to take major action. If you don't do this step, let's say you do all the rest of the steps, but then you don't take massive action, then you're just not going to see results. And that's something that I just want to shoot you straight. with affiliate marketing. It's not going to happen overnight. There's no fly by night push button software, push button traffic. It just doesn't exist. You've got to commit to this. If you really want to make money and be an affiliate marketer, be a professional full-time affiliate marketer, then you're going to have to do a couple things. And one of those is you're going to have to work. Now you're going to, and it will pay off in the end. If you do these things right, you follow the, and you start working towards it, taking massive action, rinsing and repeating the process, you build a real audience because you're putting out valuable content to them. And then that's how it works, right? People will gladly click on your affiliate links and they want to buy from you because they know and trust you. And that is how affiliate marketing, the real way, works. So remember, this is an overview video of affiliate marketing for beginners. Be sure to subscribe because my next videos will be actual live tutorials on how to do all these steps to start being successful with affiliate marketing. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video.